Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search for bookmarks in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, look for an option labeled Bookmarks and Lists. Instead of clicking it right away, hover your mouse cursor over it. When you do this, a secondary menu will slide out to the side, showing you all the bookmark-related features that Chrome offers. This is where you'll find everything related to managing and accessing your saved pages. In this secondary menu, you'll see an option that says Open Bookmarks Manager. Click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page within Chrome that displays all your saved bookmarks in an organized layout. The Bookmarks Manager is essentially your library of saved websites, where you can view, organize, and search through everything you've bookmarked over time. Now that you're in the Bookmarks Manager, you'll see all your bookmarks displayed on the screen. They're typically organized by folders and lists, making it easier to navigate through different categories if you have a lot of saved pages. However, if you have many bookmarks, scrolling through them manually can be time-consuming, which is where the search feature comes in handy. To search for a specific bookmark, look at the top of the Bookmarks Manager page. You'll notice a search bar sitting right there. Click on that search bar to activate it, and then type in the name or keyword of the bookmark you're looking for. For example, if you previously saved Facebook and want to find it quickly, simply type Facebook into that search bar. As you type, Chrome will automatically filter your bookmarks and show you results that match what you've entered. This makes it incredibly easy to locate any saved page without having to dig through folders or remember exactly where you stored it. Once you see your desired bookmark in the search results, you can click on it to open that page immediately. And that's it. You've successfully searched for bookmarks in Google Chrome using the Bookmarks Manager. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.